Tonight will be just fine, but clouds are beginning to increase across the area ahead of the storm system that will bring us active thunderstorms late tomorrow and tomorrow night. Your weather headlines: powerful storm arrives late tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. Numerous severe storms are likely. Severe weather watches are expected. There could certainly be a tornado watch, maybe a few severe thunderstorm watches as well. Despite that green you're seeing, no sign of any rain or storms on the WVTM 13 Live Doppler. But a real mess out west. We have all sorts of snow and rain over Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, and some new showers breaking out in Texas with an area of showers and thunderstorms that may become severe parts of Kansas tonight. Your 12-hour forecast tonight. We'll notice the wind increasing later on, especially. Lots of clouds overhead. Still mild though, 69 at 9, 67 at 11. Overnight lows near 60. By morning, there'll be some gusts probably up to about 25 miles per hour. We'll go to 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. By then, a line of thunderstorms back in Mississippi, very close to the I-55 corridor. It will continue on eastward from there. By the time we get to tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock, a few small showers ahead of the main line. We'll have to keep a close eye on them because there's so much wind shear. Wouldn't be out of the question for some of those to start rotating. Back here to the west, here comes the main line, getting into our northwest counties around 6, getting to the Magic City around 9 o'clock or so, and then continuing east of there. It will be a fast mover, so I'm not too concerned about flooding. It would be very brief if it happens. And by the time we get to about 1 a.m. Thursday, most of the storm will be leaving central Alabama and now entering the state of Georgia. The winds are going to be a major factor. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., 27-mile-per-hour gusts in Birmingham, 29 in Fayette and Double Springs, 31 in Hamilton, 33 at Coleman. By the time we get to 2 o'clock in the afternoon, mostly 30s and higher here, and then back to the west near 40, and that's still not the peak. Tomorrow evening, Hamilton about 55 miles per hour, 53 in Double Springs, 51 in Fayette. Admittedly, by that time, some of those storms will be getting in there and forcing the winds to go higher. Tomorrow is an alert day. Severe storms late in the day and tomorrow night. 82 the high temperature, clearing and cooler Thursday and 71. Very nice weather on Friday. Maybe a shower Saturday, not a big deal. Sunshine Sunday and Monday. Then more showers and storms possible next Tuesday. The busy Alabama springtime weather continues.